en der forstår dig. Aldrig har jeg været så sikker på noget, som efter vores konversation i tog. Solen blinkede i dit hår, og jeg spurgte om du skulle nå. Jeg gjorde mit bedste, men intet var nok, selvom jeg var din egen Michelin-kok. Du synes jeg gjorde alting forkert, og at jeg sikkert aldrig fik det lært. Jeg håber du forstår mig, nu må jeg gå fra dig, for jeg kan ikke leve sådan her mere. Jeg håber at du møder en eller anden, præcis som du er. En der forstår dig, en der formår dig, for det fortjener du så meget mere. Aldrig har jeg været så ked af noget, som efter vores honeymoon stod af tog. Men der kommer en tid, hvor man må give op, selvom det gør så ondt at sige stop. Jeg håber du forstår mig, nu må jeg gå fra dig, for jeg kan ikke leve sådan her mere. Jeg håber at du møder en der er der, præcis som du er. En der forstår dig, en der formår dig, for det fortjener du og så meget mere. Jeg håber du forstår mig, nu må jeg gå fra dig, for jeg kan ikke leve sådan her mere. Jeg håber at du møder en der er der, præcis som du er. En der forstår dig, en der formår dig, for det fortjener du og så meget mere. Tusind tak. Det var en sang, de unge plejer at kunne lide, og det var dejligt. Nu skal vi have en sang, jeg ikke nåede på min feature sidst. Den handler om krig, og dem, der bliver rige på krig, og dem, der går ud over, nemlig soldaterne. Og den hedder Soldiers. Contagious laughter bleeds into the silver moon of dawn. Black children, those in government who can't tell right from wrong. Spineless, mindless gobbles swept upon the shore, paralyzed by poison from corporations they adore. Soldiers were not all they were. Husbands, sons and daughters, and they sent them home in caskets for no reason at all. And their children went to funerals at the Royal Air Force Home. before, who would dare to scream for freedom in a world at constant war. Brainwashed by the media to believe important lies, spend their lives creating fortunes for the devils they despise. Soldiers were not all they were. Husbands, sons and daughters, and they sent them home in caskets for no reason at all. And the children went to funerals at the Royal Air Force Home. The ugly truth that none of them are really brave or free. They live their lives of happiness and fight for their country. What good are all their medals, Purple Hearts displayed, just as cheap as plastic and scattered on their graves. Soldiers were not all they were. Husbands, sons and daughters, and they sent them home in caskets for no reason at all. And their children came to funerals at the Royal Air Force Home. Soldiers were not all they were. Husbands, sons and daughters, and they sent them home in caskets for no reason at all. And the children cried at funerals at the Royal Air Force Home. Thanks so much. That was Songbird for you.